Guess the tech words from their scrambled form. The hint is electronic correspondence. What's the word? That's right, mail. Next, automated scripts. Can you guess this word? Bots. Yes. Duplicate content. Copy. Structured layout. Grid. Deliver electronically. Send. Close window or app. Exit. Wireless internet. Wi-Fi. Storage medium. Disk. Keep data consistent. Sync. Inspect for threats. Scan. Web page markup. HTML. Next word, online conversation is the hint. What's the word? Chat. Single element. Unit. Video meeting app. Zoom. Remove from list. Drop. Online input section. Form. Ordered data items. List. Playful app term. Happy. Start system. Boot. Upload to server. Push. Word number 37. Input with keyboard. Type. File directory root. Path. Connects web pages. Link. Programming instructions. Code. 33 to go, short for technology. Tech. Command line interface. Term. Server provider. Host. Unwanted messages. Spam. 29. Mobile unit. Cell. Document section. Page. Metal connector. Wire. Stored data. File. Operating state. mode, internet frequency range, band, retrieve data into memory, load, look at content, view, network test signal, ping, point in a network, node, trigger command, fire, preserve data, save. Word number 17. Hint is access file or app. What's the word? Open. Raw digital information. Data. 8 bits. Byte. Download from server. Pull. Number 12. Submit online content. Post. 11 more to go. Encrypted data value. Hash. Media snippet. Clip. Popular programming language. Java. Access data. Read. Return to previous. Back. System operator. User. 5 more to go. Modify text or code. What's the word? Edit. Check functionality. Test. Third last. Text style. Font. Position in list. Rank. And here is the last word. Workstation surface. Desk.